Now that you've made this beautiful pecan pie for your Thanksgiving Day dinner, how are you going to serve it? Well, first of all, you need to let it cool completely before you cut into it. Because of the type of pie that it is, it's going to stick to the knife and can be a little bit runny if you cut it too soon after taking it out of the oven. Now you can use either a regular knife or a serving spatula in order to cut into it, but you might want a knife to at least initially cut just to make sure to get through all of the pecans because they're a little bit harder than the rest of the pie. When you serve it, you can add some extra specialness to the pie by serving something with it. You can add ice cream or whipped cream. Fresh whipped cream is going to taste fantastic with this pie. And you might want to consider serving coffee with the pie if you're having it after dinner. You might need some extra caffeine to keep people awake after that big Thanksgiving dinner. And when you're ready to serve it, you can also bring it out onto the table and show it like this. If you have a decorative pie plate, that might make it even nicer before cutting it up to serve to all of your guests.